How to delete drafts from Instagram. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to delete your drafts from your Instagram. It's so easy and quick, so let's jump in. First thing, go to your Instagram, go to your profile, click on the Reels icon beside posts, click on your draft and click on select. Now click on your draft, the draft you wanna delete, and click now on discard. Click on discard again, and this is it. And this is it, guys. This is how you delete your drafts from Instagram. It's so easy and quick, like I told you. If you liked the video, don't forget to subscribe and like.